Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Okay, now to finish our veggies, they're going to go over this Cajun Shepherd Pie. We want to julienne an onion. So I already have one peeled. And to julienne the onion, instead of going across like slices, you want to go the lengthwise here. So you want to have a nice sharp knife. I like to cut this in half already, like this. So now we have a nice flat surface rather than rolling around, which is a little dangerous to you. At this point then I want to take off the root end. And then what we want is nice thin slices lengthwise. Put that to the side. Take that end off. And we'll just go like that. And you'll see these will break up into nice little julienne slices lengthwise.